you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
What's going on, Griswold gang? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. Guys, if you're new to the Strat or new to the channel or are struggling with your trading, this will change the way that you guys trade, okay? The strategy will change the way that you guys look at the stock market. If you haven't done so below, go down, click that subscribe button, and then hit the bell. The bell gives you the notifications. It's important for when I send out videos just like this one every single day, okay? We're going to do a review video on a couple of 30 and 30 plays. I didn't take these, but I want to go through them with you guys. Are these trades going to 10x your account on their own? No. But consistently trading this stuff, the way we're teaching and the way we're showing you guys, your account is going to grow, okay? And I've got plenty of followers that are sending me DMs all the time showing me how their accounts are growing, and it's awesome to see. Okay, I got a couple things in the works for you guys. I secured a deal with TradingView. So I'll leave a link in the description below. And for new TradingView users only. So if you're not using TradingView, if you're watching this video, you want to know what platform this is that we're using, it's TradingView. You can get up to $30 off on your subscription. So you can click on that link down below and it'll give you up to $30 off when you sign up, okay? And I think there's actually a 30-day free trial with that link. So you can sign up, trial it. If it's good, you can purchase your subscription through TradingView to get all this stuff here. Okay, and then like I said, I believe it's up to $30 that you get towards your account, like up to $30 off to that subscription. So if you guys are new, you can also follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. You can ask me questions there. You can DM me there. I had my first Twitter Spaces today. I had no idea how to do it. I didn't tweet it out. I had probably about 12 people come in and out, and we had a good chat for about an hour. People asked questions, I answered them, and away we went. So I think I'm going to probably do a few more of those to help you guys out. I've also got merch coming out. If you check a couple of my Twitter posts, I've got a couple of hats that I just put out there just to see what you guys thought of them. And then we'll just continue on from there. And I'm trying to grow this thing the best way I can. And somebody asked me how I was going to be moving forward with what I'm doing, and I really have no idea. I didn't know when I started the Twitter page. I didn't know when I started the YouTube channel. I'm just kind of going with the flow, okay? And that's kind of how I go throughout my life. I just kind of go through the flow and take things as they come, okay? Guys, in saying all of that, I love making these videos for you guys, and I know this is the crappiest part, and it sucks, and nobody ever wants to do it, and it's a habit to just skip over them. If you watch those 15 and 30-second ads, this will keep this education free for you guys. It'll keep the money in your pockets and let the advertisers pay for your education on these videos. I don't want to start a Discord and start charging you guys money for this information because you don't need to pay for it. You can. There's nothing wrong with it, but I want to keep it free. So the way I can do that for you guys is to place the ads, let the ads run through, and we'll keep it free for you guys, okay? So let's get started. I want to go through 230 and 30 plays that happened today. One of them, we'll go to that one first. One of them I called out on Twitter. On CCL, Carnival Cruise Lines, Carnival Corporation, this was the first 30-minute bar, okay? And this is a loss of like 10% or something down here when I tweeted it out. And I said, based on such a large drop, there's going to be an opportunity where this thing comes back up, and we're going to have an opportunity for a 30 and 30 to the downside. Okay, I've got 4 other videos on the 30 and 30s to show you what they are. And basically what they are is a reversal into time frame continuity on the 30-minute chart. That's it. So these are 30-minute bars, and we look for a reversal to the downside or the upside based on the hourly and the daily. We want the hourly and the daily to be the same color when we're entering one of these trades. So I'll show you exactly what happened on CCL. And I was almost positive that it would happen, and it did. Okay, so we had this 30-minute bar, this 30-minute bar, then we had this inside bar. I love playing inside bars, but I like playing inside bars into the right time frame. Okay, was this a winning trade? Yes, it was. There's nothing wrong with it. You could have taken that inside bar to the upside, and you would have hit first targets and a little bit more, and it would have been a successful trade. The trade that I wanted to take, or I would have taken off of this 30 and 30, was to the downside. Okay, so we had this 2 up, then we had this 1 or an inside bar, doesn't break the high or the low, and then we had this break right here to the downside, and the hourly and the daily are going to be red at that point, because there's no other way to do it. We're just red. Okay, so that right there becomes your trigger. And so we're down 1, and we hit targets. Okay, 2. And that's the trade, guys. Break the trigger, hit the target, which is the bottom of the first wick. Okay, and we hit targets plus a little more. This was a winning trade. Okay, and that's all we're looking for on the 30-30. It's very simple. You don't need to play more. You don't need to play less. Just look for that target. Okay, that's all you need to do. And these are going to be consistent gains for you guys. There's tons of different setups in the strat. This is one of them, this 30 and 30, and all it is a reversal into time frame continuity. That's all it is. Okay, so we had the break here and the target here, and that's a winning trade. Okay, we'll move on to AMC. And again, if you want a little bit more clarity on this, go on to the other 4 videos that I have on the 30 and 30. They are a little bit more in depth than what I'm doing right here. Okay, so on AMC, this play right here is what we're looking at. So this is the first 30-minute bar, then we got the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. This is the play we're looking at. This, I guess, could have been one here to the upside, and you would have taken your trigger there. But again, your first target is here. So I like to see that first target up in this range somewhere, and we didn't really have that, okay? So if you have strong rules, that's definitely one. If you want target with magnitude and a gap, then you wouldn't have been in that trade. This is the better one here, okay? So I'm not doing any color coordination for these. I'm just going to have 2 green lines. You had a 2 down right here, followed by a 2 up. This was your reversal. This bar right here is where we opened. As soon as we're anywhere above that line, we are green on the day. Okay, and that's exactly what happens right here. We get in on the trigger of this candle. That's our trigger. Okay, if you guys have questions about it, leave them down below, and I will answer them for you. We can go over this as many times as you guys need. Okay, so this is our trigger, and this is our target. Okay, so we're through the trigger. Next candle comes open through the target, and we came through the target quite well. And then we hit a second target right there. We tagged it, came back down. And then on the next bar, we came back down, didn't even touch our original target, and then we come back up through the second one, the second target right here again. And then we just continue to trend up, and we're hitting targets all over the place. Another one there. Okay, let's mark this one. So now we've hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there another one back there? I don't think we touched that one. 7. There you go. 7 targets all the way up. Okay, without a reversal. Okay, so you could have taken, again, you could have taken profits here and you would have had a great trade. You could have taken profits up in this range and said this is your stop loss. Great trade. Or you could have held on to a couple contracts and just let this thing ride. This AMC play, this 30 and 30 to the upside, was a really, really great play. Guys, if you want to 10x your account, if you want to grow that account, we're not here to do it in 1 trade, in 2 trades, in 3 trades. We're here to teach you guys, or I'm here to teach you guys. The rest of the Strat community is here to teach you guys and grow consistently with those 20, 30, 40, 15% gains. And we're going to grow that thing, and we are going to 10x it. We are going to grow that account. You guys are going to learn to do this in your sleep. You're going to become confident at it. You're going to trade with the right amount of capital in the trade. Okay, we're going to do this together. We're going to grow together and earn together. And we're going to change your guys' family tree. I know that's a Dave Ramsey saying, but I want you guys to be able to change your lives. I want you guys to be able to do what you want to do. Do what you want to do with your friends and family and kids and not have to worry about money. And if you don't want to work anymore, I don't want you to have to work. If you want to do this, if this is what you love doing and want to do, I want you guys to be able to do this and learn how to do it. That's why I do this, guys. I want to be able to change your lives. I want you guys to be able to change your lives and change your family tree, okay? That's why we're here. You guys need something, you ask me, I'm here to help out, okay? Whatever questions you need, I'm here to help you guys. So make sure you're following along on Twitter. Subscribe down below. Click that bell. You get the notifications for when I send the videos out, guys. 200 plus videos for you guys to learn this stuff from. The more you watch, the easier it'll become. You're going to look at this stuff and it's going to just be natural. You're going to see it without having to look at it. So thank you guys for being here. Make sure you're watching those ads. Let's keep this stuff free. Keep your money in your pockets, and we will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.